Today we got a monster truck race. It's gonna be Rage versus Avenger. Who do you think is going to win? Let's find out. They are off and it looks like Rage has a lead. Oh no, Avenger with a big crash. Here is the instant replay. Rage had the lead, but then Avenger looks like he went a little sideways. And then he gets a big crash. Holy cow. And we just got word from the pit crew that he is okay. But your winner of the monster truck race is Rage. That's right, guys. But that's gonna end the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next one.